Hello, my friends. It is SS Coulter, author of the Fassa Tails, and today we are going to be doing activity number 3 from the 4th book in the series, My Fair Cat. Before we get started, I want you to go and make sure that you have permission to be online with me today. So go ahead and get permission from an adult to be online, and then come on back and we'll get started. Now that we have permission to be online, let's get started with this activity. It is called What's in Rocky's Mouth Revealed. And whether you have the paper copy of the book or the electronic copy, it is on page 47. There it is. What's in Rocky's Mouth Revealed. Now there's something very important about this activity. If you have not done What's in Rocky's Mouth, which is on page 51 of book 3 ROWLF, this activity won't make a lot of sense. So if you haven't done the activity number 3 from ROWLF, I would like you to stop this video now and go ahead and go back and do that activity. I will actually put a link to that activity below in the description of this video, so it's super easy for you to find. So again, if you haven't done activity 3 from ROWLF, go ahead and do that now, and then come on back and we will do What's in Rocky's Mouth Revealed together. All right, now that we know that everybody's done What's in Rocky's Mouth, let's do What's in Rocky's Mouth Revealed. We will start with what you need. It says you need coloring utensils, paper, and your prediction from book 3, ROWLF, What's in Rocky's Mouth. So I am going to give you 2 minutes to go get these materials. I will grab my timer now, and remember, with coloring utensils, you can get whatever you like the best. You can get markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you have, and paper, if you want to use scrap paper, plain paper, whatever you can find is perfect. I will put 2 minutes on our timer, and we will all go off and get our materials. Now that we all have our materials, let's look at the summary and directions for this activity. The summary says, after reading ROWLF, you made a prediction of what might have been in Rocky's mouth by drawing a picture or writing a description. Well, now it is time to pull out your prediction and see if you were right. The directions say, number 1, find your prediction, which we all did when we got our materials, and see how close you were. Did you think it was an animal or a toy? Number 2 says, now that you know Rocky was playing with Angel, by holding her in his mouth, draw a picture or write a description of Angel. So yeah, now we know that what Rocky was holding in his mouth, it wasn't scary. It was just him and Angel being totally goofy and having fun. So what I'd like you to do now is see how close you were with your prediction, and then you can go ahead and spend 10 minutes or even longer drawing pictures of Angel. She's so cute. Let's look at other pictures in here of her. She is just a cute cat with a big smile. There she is. So I'd like you to go and do the best job you can of drawing her. It doesn't have to be perfect. You do the best job you can. And if you just want to write a description of her, that is great too. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes on the timer, and all of us can go off and do our best drawing or best description of Angel. All right, here we go. Hey guys, how did you do with your prediction? Did you know it was a cat? Did you guess that? And did you happen to draw or describe a cat that looked like Angel? That would be crazy. Now, a lot of you sent me your prediction from book 3, ROWLF, and I got to see what you predicted. Now I would love to see your picture of Angel. So please go ahead. If you haven't sent me what your prediction was, send that to me along with your picture of Angel so I can see both. I would love it. So if you'd like to do that, please have an adult look at the description of this video. I have my Facebook group and my email address there, and they can send me your drawing of Angel and your prediction if you haven't already sent it. All right, guys, activity 3 is over, but until we meet again, I want you to remember that you are awesome. Your imagination is awesome. I think you're as mesmerizing as Angel, and I want you to have fun.